Change your availability status in Google Chat. Availability status, you can see four types by default. One is active, one is don't disturb, another is away and idle. So when you are available, that means Gmail or Google Chat is open, means you are available to chat, right? Then do not disturb means Google Chat notification are muted. And when you select away, you are not connected to the internet, or you have been idle for more than 10 minutes. And idle means you have been inactive in Gmail or Google Chat for the last 5 minutes. Let's see how to check availability status or how to change my status in Google Chat. On the top you can see there is a option is change for status. You can see automatic, do not disturb, set as away. Like if you select do not disturb, then you can select like 30 minutes. You have a meeting or you have an urgent task, you can select do not disturb. Then like you are in a break, then you can set status away. From here you can change Google Chat status. Thank you for watching.